In today's video, I'm gonna be walking through how to remove or turn off your iPhone passcode. Go to your iPhone settings app, scroll down, tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter here your current passcode to access Face ID settings. To turn off passcode, first of all, we have to reset our Face ID. So in here, tap on Reset Face ID. Once you successfully deleted your Face ID, here just tap on Turn Off Passcode. Tap on Turn Off. And now you have to verify your Apple account. So just enter here your Apple account email address and password. And tap on Turn Off. Once more, enter your current passcode. And just tap on Turn Off and remove passwords. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully turned off my iPhone password. Thanks for watching.